The Microsoft Your Phone app offers a smart new way to access your Galaxy phone without even picking it up. Once linked to your Windows PC, you can make calls, send texts, transfer photos, and access any app on your phone. Keep watching to learn how to get set up and take advantage of all the features of Microsoft Your Phone. To get started, download the Your Phone app on your Windows PC from the Microsoft Store. Open the Your Phone app. You may be prompted to sign in to your Microsoft account if you haven't already done so. Now choose Android as your mobile OS. You'll now be presented with a QR code to scan on your phone. Now let's get the Your Phone app activated on your phone. Since the Your Phone is natively integrated on the latest Galaxy devices, just swipe down to access your Quick Panel and tap on Link to Windows. Turn on Link to Windows, then tap the Sign in with Microsoft button. Now you can choose Sign in using your Microsoft account credentials or by scanning the QR code. This will link your devices. Link to Windows should now indicate the PC to which you are connected. Now that you're set up, you can access your Galaxy phone on your PC, all via the cloud. Click on Notifications to view and manage notifications on your Galaxy phone. Under the Messages tab, you can send and receive text messages via your phone. Under the Photos tab, you can view recent photos and drag and drop them from your phone to your Windows desktop. Phone Screen lets you mirror your Galaxy phone's display on your PC. You can access all of your mobile apps using your PC's touchpad without picking up your phone. For example, start streaming some music or a podcast on Spotify. Or quickly adjust your morning alarm. Click on Calls to access your call history and make phone calls. Your phone and PC will be paired via Bluetooth, so you can take calls via your PC. The Microsoft Your Phone app lets you quickly and wirelessly access your Galaxy phone from your PC anytime you need to.